guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. So today I created this fire phoenix, I don't know, that's what it reminds me of. I'm gonna call it a phoenix eyeshadow look, a fire eyeshadow look. I don't know, it'll be in the title. So I posted a picture on Instagram last week where I did a two-toned eyeshadow look, and the left eye was this orange smoky eye and the right eye was a purple eye, and I got such a good response on that. Everybody loved that look. So I figured, why not film the orange smoky eye for you guys, because so many people loved it, and I was like, hey, I liked it too, so why not do a video on it and do both eyes instead of one? So that is what I did today, and if you guys want to see how I created this look, then make sure to keep watching. But first, like always, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below if you want to see more videos from me, as well as don't forget to hit that little bell notification so you're notified every time I upload so you don't miss the video. Now, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so we're going to jump right on into it. My eyes are already primed, and today I used my Tarte Shape Tape in Fair Neutral. I decided to switch it up. I'm going to be using Sample Beauty's Cult Palette for this look because it has the perfect oranges and reds for what I'm looking for. So jumping right in, I'm going to be taking this red color up here on my Morphe M5. I keep dropping brushes. Jumping right in, I'm starting off with this red color right here, and I'm taking this on a Morphe M562. And this is going to be the darkest color that we're using. So this is going to go on our outer corner and in our crease. I'm going to pack this color on my outer corner so I can really get the pigment from that color. And I'm also going to bring it in just a little bit. The shadows in this palette are super pigmented, so you really want to be careful when working with them. You want to tap off all the excess. And now we're going to start bringing it into the crease. I'm trying to be as precise with this color as possible because I don't want to bring it up too high, because once it gets too high, it's going to look very muddy and it's not going to give us the look that we're looking for. So just try to keep this color as low as possible, and don't worry about placing it high up in the crease right now, because right now we're just trying to get that initial color down. We are going to blend it up a little bit higher so we can blend all the colors together. But right now, you just want to make sure that you're really getting that color down. So just remember that we're not worrying about blending anything out right now. We're just taking the first step to pack down that color, and we will blend later on as we build the colors up and all that kind of stuff. Next, I'm going to be taking this bright orange color, and I'm picking this up on a Morphe M506. And I'm just going to take a little bit at first and tap it off. And then we're going to put this right over that red color. Just like with that red color we placed down, you want to keep this color very low and just slowly put it in the crease, because if you don't take your time and you're just freaking blending and blending, it's going to get muddy, or it's not going to come out as precise as it could have been if you took your time. So taking your time is really essential with this look, and you just want to keep it as close to that red as possible. You can see how much space I have between that orange color and my eyebrow, and that is what you want. You want to have enough space because we still have to add our lightest transition color to help really blend that orange out. So just keep in mind that we are adding 3 colors to this look, so you really want to make sure that you're keeping all your colors tight together as possible and then blending them out later on so you can really get the color payoff from all the 3 colors that we're using. The next color we're going to be taking is this light peachy shade. I'm going to be picking this color up on a Morphe M433. This color is super essential because this is what's going to really help blend out that dark orange and make it not look harsh and just seamlessly blend it, and that is what you want for this look. This color in the palette does pick up a lot of product on the brush, so make sure you tap it off because you want to start really light with this color and slowly build the intensity, because if you go in too heavy with that orange at first, you're not going to get that transition that we're looking for, because you're going to build this light orange up so much that it's going to end up looking close to this orange, and you're not going to get that gradient blend that we're looking for. So take a little amount of product and start slowly building that out. I know right now it looks like there's nothing, but I promise you guys, that is what you want. And with really light pressure, I'm just going to start to blend out that orange color. And you're going in with this light orange color, make sure that you're choosing the right brush to use. You don't want to go in with something that looks like this because it's going to be more densely packed and it's not going to give you that blown out look that we're looking for. But if you go in with something that's super fluffy like this right off the bat, you're not going to get the exact placement that you want and the color might just end up being all over the place. So for this look, because we're trying to be as precise as possible, I think that the 433 or the MAC 221, 227, something like that, I think that that kind of brush is really good for this particular color and this particular step in the look. So just keep that in mind when you're doing your eyeshadow. The eyeshadow brushes that you choose for each color is super important because that is going to really depend on how the color is placed down, how the color is blended out. So don't skip over your eyeshadow brushes, you guys. They're so important. Keep that in mind. So I just picked up a little bit more of that light orange color and now I'm gonna continue to blend it out. And do not forget this inner corner, you guys. You guys don't want to have a whole blended eye look over here and then the inner corner is just like not blended. So make sure that you're blending that out. Now, of course, the blending is not done. We do have to go back in with that dark red color, and I'm going to pick that up on the same brush, the Morphe M562, and now we're going to start bringing it up into the orange. Again, you want to slowly build the product. I'm going to go back in with that bright orange color on the Morphe M506 and just put that right over the red again. And this is what really helps make your eyeshadow blended, is when you go back and forth with the steps, because you might add orange and then you think the red is blended until you add the orange and you're like, oh, I need to blend it a little bit more. So don't be afraid to go back and forth with the steps, because that is really what's going to give you the blend that you're looking for and the outcome that you want. So just remember, be patient, be slow. Sometimes it takes a while, but it's worth it if you're going to have blended eyeshadow. You know what I'm saying? Going back in with our 433 and no additional product, I'm just going to make sure to blend out that orange color again because we did just place more down. And now I'm going to go ahead and just start blending out the outer corner a little bit. And back in again with that red color. Now I'm just going to pick up a clean, fluffy brush and just work that on the edge. So I'm going to go ahead and take the white in the palette to highlight my brow bone. I'm so mad that I used the Shape Tape actually to prime my lids, because right here on the outer corner the eyeshadow is a little bit patchy and I find that that only happens when I use the Shape Tape. Should have used the Urban Decay. I'm so mad at myself, but we're gonna move on. I'm gonna go ahead and do a half cut crease. Now that we have our crease cut, you just want to go back in with that red color and just blend out the edge. So for my lid color, I'm taking the BH Cosmetics Festival palette and I'm going in with this yellow shade right here called Magical. And I'm just going to pick this up on a flat concealer brush and pack this right over the concealer. Go ahead and take Urban Decay's Heavy Metal Glitter Liner in Midnight Cowboy, and I'm going to use this to line where I cut my crease. So I'm going to go ahead and pop on some wing liner and lashes off camera because it is impossible for me to do eyeliner on camera. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. But the lashes I'm going to be using are the Brittany lashes in the style Exposed. Mine look really gross because they're super used. But I'm going to go ahead and do that and I will be right back. Alright, so I went ahead and finished my base off camera as well as one eye. I figured since I did my face in the last couple of videos I would skip it. In this video it is literally the same routine. I will have all the products on my face listed down below in the description box. So if you're curious as to what I use, check down below because everything is always listed there. Now we're going to go ahead and finish off the other eye. I'm going to take that same red color we used on our crease and I'm going to take this on an angled brush and put this really close to my lower lash line. Taking that same color up on a pencil brush, now I'm just gonna start to blend that color out. Now picking up a fluffier pencil brush, I'm going to go in with this orange color, and this is going to go underneath that red so we can further smoke it out. I'm going to go back in with that angled brush and that red color just to intensify it a little bit more. Lastly, I'm going to take a Morphe 433 and this light peach color, and this is going to go underneath the rest of the colors to help blend it out even more. For the eyeliner and my waterline, I am going to go in with my NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. Mine is just depotted like in this little container because I find it easier to use that way. So I'm just going to pick it up on a tiny detail brush and pop this in my waterline. Lastly, I'm just going to pop on some mascara. To highlight my inner corner, I'm just going to go in with Now and Zen from ColourPop. You can go in with any shimmer shade that you want to. This is just the one that I like to use for my inner corner. And I'm just going to pop that on. Alright you guys, that is the eyes complete. So now it's time for highlighter. And to highlight my face, I'm going to go in with my ABH Sun Dipped Glow Kit. And I'm going to mix together Summer and Moonstone to get the perfect color, you know. I'm just going to pop this on my cheekbones. Lips, I'm going to go ahead and line my lips with ColourPop and iluvsarahii's Curvii Lip Liner. For lipstick, I'm going to go in with Jeffree Star Birkin Suede. Kind of torn because I kind of want to leave the lip like this and just leave it matte, but I kind of also want to add a gloss, so I'm going to add a gloss, and I'm going to add NYX Fortune Cookie Lip Gloss on top. I've never even worn this color. I don't know about y'all, but I have really been feeling a nude glossy lip lately, so of course a nude glossy lip. So this is the completed look, and this sums up the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, comment down below, and subscribe for more tutorials, and I will see you guys in my next video.